Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious pumpkin spice tres leches cake. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1 spice cake mix along with the ingredients needed to bake it, 1 evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, 1 media crema, half a cup of 100% pumpkin pie spice, 2 cups of heavy cream, and caramel sauce. Alright guys, so these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Once we have that going on, now we can make our cake batter. To the bowl, add the spice cake mix. Along with that, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Add the pure pumpkin. Here I have the oil, eggs, and instead of water I'm using milk. And now we're going to beat on medium speed for 2 minutes. Okay, so once we have it, now we can transfer it to our greased baking dish. Just make sure that it gets nice and even. And once we have it, we can take it to the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Alright, so once our cake is done, we're going to allow it to cool down. Meanwhile, we can make our tres leches mixture. Okay, now to make our tres leches mixture, in a measuring cup, we're going to add our evaporated milk, the media crema. You can also use regular milk or heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, and I'm only going to be adding about 1/4 of the can. But of course, it all depends on how sweet you want your mixture. And along with that, we're going to add our caramel sauce. Now that we have that, we can mix it all together until everything is well combined. Now that we have that, we're just going to place it in the refrigerator until it's time to pour it over our cake. Alright, so once our cake has cooled down a bit, now we can get ready to poke it. You can just use a stick, a straw, fork, anything. Just make sure you create little holes all around it. Okay, now that we have poked our cake, give the milk mixture a little mix and get ready to pour it. Now we're just going to cover it and allow the cake to absorb all of the milk. So allow it to sit overnight or for at least 4 hours. Alright, so once it's ready, this is what it looks like. So now we can get ready to make our topping. Here I have my glass that's nice and cold. Going to be adding the heavy whipping cream along with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a little Mexican vanilla blend. Now we're just going to be whisking until everything is nice and stiff. Okay, and after a few minutes, our cream is nice and stiff. So now we can top our cake. I'm gonna place it over the cake. And spread it nice and even. Okay, so once we added our whipped cream on top, now we're just going to place it in the refrigerator and allow it to chill for at least 20 minutes. Alright guys, and after 20 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part, and that's cutting into our cake. But first I'm going to be drizzling some more caramel sauce, or you can always top it with just some pumpkin pie spice. But just drizzle it. Now we can get ready to cut and serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this right here is seriously one of my family's favorite. It's so delicious, it's perfect for this time of year, and of course, so easy to make. So I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. I am so ready. And of course, this is all well balanced, you know, it's not too sweet. It's just a perfect combination of pumpkin, the cake, and the tres leches. It's honestly the best. So I hope you get a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's perfect. It's well moist. And of course, if you want to add more milk, you can always add it. But this right here is seriously just perfect. The pumpkin spice is just so good. It's fall in a plate. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I have my super easy and delicious pumpkin spice tres leches cake. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're into my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.